And the race on they leap in unison away from the gate to steal from the outside Billy Ryan, moving up by the release Kid Molabe, ready and waiting, and on the outside with Jazz Goldheart, smart winner, Magical Del Danori inside and on the quadra outside racing 8th position 10A Moriones, and rounding the part-turn Kid Molabe, Jazz Goldheart on the outside, ready and waiting, and Billy Ryan and Twisted. Another part-turn Kid Molabe, Bionic, Jazz Goldheart is on the outside and ready and waiting as they race upon a corner. Kid Molabe by half length, Jazz Goldheart on the outside, ready and waiting, and with the last 200 meters more to run, Kid Molabe now by about 5 lengths, Jazz Goldheart in second, and nearing the finish line, it's a scintillating run coming from the outstanding favorite, number 2, Kid Molabe, owned by Mr. Manny Santos, second, Jazz Goldheart, ready and waiting, 10A, Muriones close, answered prayer, and 10, Billy Ryan.